Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan Depaul here. So in this video, what we will be going over is Nowsite's biggest promotion ever. And when I say biggest promotion, it's their biggest promotion, and you do not want to miss out on this one, guys. I'm telling you, I've never seen them do this right here, and what's going to happen with it, oh, it's going to be great. So stay tuned. We're going to dive right into this one and show you everything about it and why you should jump on this promotion and not wait. Even if you don't plan on using it right now, if you have some type of business or you do some type of marketing online, you want to check this out and have this tool in your belt just in case anytime. So with that, we're going to dive right into this one. So as you can see right now, I'm actually on the Nowsite Marketing's pricing site. This is the website, but this is the pricing tab. And you can see that it says super simple pricing. You can save over, if you go annually, you can actually, that's paying for the whole year up front, save 20%. So that's, you're getting billed $444. I've actually done that one. It's actually is really nice. This is what you get with that. You includes a $200 credit for website design, $40 value, 3 email campaigns, and 250 SMS per month, 50 internationally. That's a value of $120 value. But if you want to go monthly, because there is no contracts, there is no cancellation fees. So if you want to go month to month to see how it is, hey, I don't want to pay a whole annual thing up front, no problem. And I'm going over the price right now because you need to understand why this video is being made, because the promotion that they got going on is amazing. So monthly, you're looking at $47 plus a one-time fee of for a 60-minute website design meeting. That's an amazing meeting that you gotta check my other videos for that one and see what that includes. But it's a truly amazing meeting I've used a couple times myself, and I love it. So $47, you're getting basically this right here. Now I'm going to show you guys what it will include. So your subscription includes unlimited websites, creating landing pages or a full website in minutes, SEO. Every website is optimized to rank high on Google. Email marketing and incredibly intuitive automated email marketing. This is no joke right here. I got another video come out for this one, but this is amazing. Unlimited contacts. Keep in touch with all of your prospects and customers in our powerful CRM. People pay thousands of dollars for a CRM, a good CRM. This is a good one. They have apps for iPhone and Android, so you can actually use an app and do all your marketing from your app. It's nice, very convenient. Managed file storage, so basically they all give you a Dropbox that you can actually use. It's not actually Dropbox, but it's more than comparable to Dropbox. You can actually use unlimited filing storage. It's very nice. I use it myself for images, for a team, for anything I need to store in there. It's very nice. Amazing support. Our team is here 7 days a week to answer all your questions. They do have great support, live support, like video support. They have chat support. It's amazing. Email support. I love it. Detail analytics, also a great thing too. And yeah, so other things that is included. But we're gonna get into more of this stuff. But we're talking more about the price and everything, their biggest promotion. So you get all that, what you said right there. That's what's included. Now, you see the where it said a $47 a month plus a one-time fee. Now that you see, $47 for all what you get right there is a great deal. That's actually what I paid for the year. I paid the $37, but I did for the whole year, so $444. So $47 is very, very good. But because this company is so good and this is their biggest promotion ever, they're doing a promotion for $20. So you see that 47 right there? $20. $20 a month. I think it's for the first year. So let me double check. So you're looking at $20 compared to the regular $47. And I think that is locked in for the whole year. So I'm going to tell you how to get that deal and get that locked in for that whole year. because there is no cancellation fees. They do recurring charging. So if you want to cancel, you can cancel anytime. But for $20, you get everything I just went over with. For $20, it's amazing. So you're probably wondering, that's impossible. It's too good to be true. Why? When they announced this, I was like, yeah, right. What's the catch? There is no catch. Well, no, there is a catch. The catch is you have to have a promo code. And to get that promo code, you have to go through me. You have to contact me. And it's a unique promo code. So let me know if you want that promo code. You can either put it in the comments below, or you can actually contact me. My social media, my number is actually in the description below. So you can contact me either or. Text or call is my direct line. My cell phones. It's not a Google number like that. So that's impressive alone. So like I said, you have to have a code. It's a promo code. And if you don't use a promo code, hey, you're SOL. So yeah, contact me. That's the catch. That's seriously, that's pretty much the only catch. It's good for a year. That to get locked in for a year. After that, it goes up to $47. So you're what? So what's that? So for what's 12 times 20? So $220. No, sorry, $240. $240. You're getting a full automated marketing, getting everything I went over for $240 and support. But guess what? Yes, you can do this annually and get that same price. So $220, you get a discount. So yeah, I think it's $220. I'm sorry, I may have said $240, but $240. There's a code for that one too if you want to do it annually. So you got to contact me. You got to get with me. I got you. I got the hookup for you. And that's why I'm saying that this is truly their biggest promotion ever. I have never seen a promotion this big with Nowsite. Period. This is amazing to get all this stuff, and they have more stuff to it too. But right now, I just went over. I didn't want to go too long with that. I just wanted to go over what the basic stuff they have was included with your subscription. So yeah, guys, you don't want to miss on this one. And I mean, to be able to do this, I mean, it's so amazing. I love this company, what they keep on doing, and the improvements they keep on making on the service. Guys, it's just been it's been godsend. It's been a blessing, and I use it myself. I actually use it for some of my teams. I create just recently. I had them create some stuff for me with some websites, Nowsite. They're nerds, and it's amazing. I'm going to show you a video on that one too. I got some capture images, but not right now. This is not for that video. But yeah, guys, honestly, don't miss out. If you want more information, if you have any questions or concerns, put it in the comments below and let me know. I respond as soon as possible. As soon as you put in there, I'm pretty good unless I'm asleep, and that's very rarely. But if you want to get a hold of me directly, you can actually contact me on my mobile device. My number is in the description below, and also my social media. You can actually hit me on Facebook too as well, and I think my Instagram is on there too. So either or, you can contact me. Facebook would be more. I've used that more than Instagram, but my number obviously is more direct, so you can use that one and through text or call it, whatever you choose. And I'd be more than happy to help you with that and get you the promotion code that you need. I'm telling you guys, you don't want to miss out on this. Don't just click on the link like, oh yeah, and the link is in the description below as well. But don't just click on the link and like, hey, let me go sign up. I don't need that, because you'll be missing out on this big, amazing deal. Now, this so far, they say that this is a limited time. So this deal, this promo code for to get this at $20 a month for a whole year is only good up until, let me see, May 20th. Today's the 16th. We got 20 days. You got 4 days. So guys, come on, don't wait, don't hesitate. Let's knock this out. So hopefully you got some good value from this video. If you did, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button below. Yep, that big red button below, and right next to it is a little bell. Hit that notification bell, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan Depaul just put a new video out and you liked his last one. So you may want to check out this one. So with that, guys, I hope you guys some good value from this one. Until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.